Assalamu alaikum student, 502 Model College Girls. Subject is mathematics and the assignment is for class 6. How are you student? I hope all of you are fine. Today I am giving you a maths assignment. While solving the assignment, following points should be kept in your mind. Solve your assignment on narrow line loose sheets. Write down your name, class, section, subject on the top of your sheet. Draw margin line with blue marker. Use black pointer for questions and blue fountain pen for answer. Do neat work. Avoid unnecessary cutting. Attempt rough work in front of the sum where required. Complete and submit your assignment to the Girls College by 17th of September 2020. Student, your assignment consists of two sections. Section A is of multiple choice question and the section B is of short question. Question number 1 is choose the best answer. Part 1 is E is a set of 3, 6, 9 up to so on. You have to find the correct option and then you take the right option. First option is finite set, second option is infinite set, third option is even set and the fourth option is none of these. Second part is to write an empty set, we use the symbol does not belong to subset phi corresponding to. Third part is 11 is known as null set, singleton set, subset, power set. Fourth part is to represent the equivalent set we use the symbol is equal to, not belong to, phi corresponding to. Fifth part is potato is an element belong to the set vegetables, fruit, dry fruit, games. Sixth part is to represent two equal sets we use the symbol corresponding to phi percentage equal to. Eighth part is the successor of 36 is 35, 37, 38, 39. Ninth part is the sum of 95 and 63 are 158, 159, 170 or 186. Tenth part is the sum of first 5 whole numbers are 10, 15, 22. You have to solve it in rough work, then you will take the right answer. 11th part is additive identity is 0, 1, 2, none of these. 12th part is multiplicative identity is 0, 1, 2 multiplied by 2 or 3 multiplied by 3. 13th part is index notation of 13 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 13 is 13 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 2, 13 raised to power 3 and 196. 14th part is the process of writing a number into its fraction is called factorization, LCM, HCF or common factor. The number that cannot be divided by 2 completely are called even numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers or odd number. 16th part is the smallest natural number is 0, 1, 3, 4. You have to take the right option. 17th part is to represent the natural number we use the capital letter E, O, N, W. 18th part is to represent is greater than or equal to we use the symbol less, less and equal to, greater, greater than equal to. 19 parties. The sum of two whole number is always a prime number, an odd number, an even number, a whole number. 20 parties. The factor of every number is 0, 1, 2, 3. 21st part is every number greater than 1 has at least factors 1, 2, 3, 4. 22nd part is a number is divisible by 6 if it has even number at the unit place and the sum of its digits is divisible by 2, 3, 6 or 9. 23rd part is the LCM of 2 and 3 is 2, 3, 4 or 6. You have to find the LCM in rough way, then you will take the right option. 24 part is if the LCM of two numbers 4 and 9 is 36, then its HCF will be 1, 2, 9 or 12. The only even prime number is 1, 2, 3, 5. Section B is answer the following questions. You have to solve it. Part 1 is write 3 next consecutive whole numbers starting from 509. Second part is write the natural numbers smaller than 6. Third part is evaluate 486 plus 732. Fourth part is find the sum of first 5 whole numbers. Fifth part is find the sum of smallest 3-digit number and largest 2-digit number. Sixth part is subtract the smallest whole number from the smallest natural number. Seventh part is find the product of the following whole number. Product means you have to multiply it, 762 and 309. Eighth part is solve 9801 divided by 135. Ninth part is find the product of the smallest 4-digit number and the greatest 2-digit number. 10th part is find the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 16. 11th part is find the largest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 24. 12th part is list all the number less than 100 which are multiples of 5 and 10. 13th part is list all the numbers less than 50 which are multiples of 3 and 4. 14th part is write all the composite numbers less than 20. 15th part is write 5 consecutive composite numbers just below 50. 16th part is write all prime numbers less than 15. 17th part is express the factors by using index notation. 13 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 13. 18th part is find the prime factors by division method. 2310 you have to find the prime factors by division method. 19th part is factorize by factor tree method 72. You have to factorize 72 by factor tree method. And the 20 part is the HCF of two numbers 525 and 1155 is 105. Find their LCM. Student, I hope you understand it. You have to solve all questions neatly. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.